Light of the ancestor. Peacewarrior production. We are the sons and daughters of the great Moana Seas. Our forefathers fell through storms at night, only guided by the stars and faith inside. God protected everywhere they crossed, so our people would never be lost. Now we're living in a modern age, but too many hearts consumed by rage, forgetting all the sacred ways, trading peace for violent days. Follow the light of the ancestors. The love of Christ still lives in us. Don't let darkness steal your soul. We were born to make love all. Raise your hands to the sky above. Fight for peace, fight for love. Moana blood forever strong. Unity is where we belong. Yeah, young who's so angry with pain inside, trying to survive while the demons ride. But hatred only builds more graves, and money can't resurrect the slain. Remember the villages, remember the prayers, remember the old men speaking wisdom there. Respect was wept before the cash came through. Now too many kings forgetting what is true. The enemy ain't your own brown skin. The real war starts deep within. Fight the darkness, fight your pride. Let the spirit of Christ arise. Guide us all. Hey! Back to love. Back to grace. Back to us. Follow the light of the ancestors, children of the endless waters. We are stronger standing one. Pacific hearts beneath one sun. To every who's so lost in anger, may this song bring healing before another family breaks. Peacewarrior production.